Hi, we are Smart Excel and we always try to bring you some practical scenarios related to industry practices, especially in quantity surveying. So in this video, we are trying to give you some simple solution to a small issue. So let's find it now. So in this sheet, I have created some values, and in the sheet 2, sheet 3, and also in a separate workbook, that is workbook 2. And also I have created another set of values using those figures. Okay, so if you want to go to those referred cells, that means the linked cells of the cell, in other words, the inputs for this figure, you can do that, or you can perform that with these two shortcut keys. But the thing is, you cannot go to the referred cells which are not in this cell by that shortcut key. But at first I will show you how this shortcut key works. If you want to know the referred cells, go to the targeted cell, then press Ctrl and open bracket key, then they will bring you to the linked cell of this cell. Then if you want to know the dependent cells of these cells, you can select the cells and press Ctrl and close bracket. They will bring you to the cells which are dependent by these cells. But the thing is, this cell has references or has linked to the sheet 2 cells and also into the sheet 3 cells. If you want to go to those cells, those linked cells, you have to go to the formula bar and click trace precedent under formula auditing. So if you click trace precedents, then it will show the referred cells in this sheet with these blue lines. And also if you have any links in other sheets, you have this dash line and this symbol. If you double click this dash line, you can see the list of references in this cell. If you want to go to these links, you can double click it, then Excel will bring you to those cells. Okay, I will repeat that. Double click this. If you want to go to these references, let's say this reference, double click it, then Excel will bring you to the exact location. You can remove the arrows from this option. Let's take this cell. This cell have references from a separate workbook. If you click trace precedents, you will have this dash line. Double click it, then Excel will show you the references. It's a workbook 2. So if you double click it, Excel will bring you to the workbook 2 and the correct location. But for that, you have to open the workbook 2 or the separate workbook earlier. Okay, otherwise Excel won't bring you to the workbook. Okay, so and also you can decide the dependence. So select the cell, click trace dependence, and they will show you the links which are based on this cell. Okay, sorry, depend on this cell. And also if the cell have another references, they will show you this dash line, then double click it, then this is the references. So if you double click it, Excel will bring you to the dependent cells which is not in the same cell, in the same sheet. Okay, so that's how you can find the dependence or the precedence, that means the linked cell, which are not in the same sheet. So that's up to this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe the channel Smart Excel.